Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you too?
I'm excellent, actually. Thank you for asking me about my condition. All right, class leader, Leandra, who is not present today?
All of reason today, Miss.
All right, so who wants to become a leader for pray?
I am Miss.
Good. So please, Leandra.
Before we study, let us pray. Pray, begin.
All right.
Pray is over.
Okay, good. All right, everyone. Miss hope that later we can meet face to face, yeah. But for this time, we just meeting via online. And then Miss want to share the link for the
Okay.
first. All right. This is the link that you have to click, yeah.
Okay, Miss. Wait a
All right.
minute.
And Miss want to share screen and share sound. All right. Landra, have you entered the room or the link?
Wait a minute.
All right.
Oh,
Do you still create a name, right? What's your name?
Leandra.
All right. Okay, and then there is Kasuma, right, in here. And for Leandra, Miss, just wait. All right, Leandra and Kasuma. All right, Laravelia. Oh, great, great, great. Okay, I think. All right, Miss having the picture in the nearpod, and then this the picture. All right. What the picture is that?
That is the picture, rain, Miss.
All right. Have you ever played in the rain?
Yes, I often playing football with my friend
All right.
in
All right. All right. Good. Good, Landra. And then where does rainwater come from? Miss want to ask.
uh, from God, probably.
God,
No, no.
are you
I'm just kidding,
sure?
Miss. Uh,
Yeah.
rain from the
Yeah.
sky.
Yeah, of course from God, but through the sky, right? Yeah,
Right, right.
and then you can just see at the screen this one. What is this?
The cloud.
Yeah, good. That's right. From the cloud.
Miss, so where the clouds from come from?
Wow, good question, Landra. Do you want to know?
Yes, of course.
All right. So, if you want to know about that, you have to watch this video. Do you guys can see my screen? Yes, yeah.
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
All right. Wait a minute. just student play, so you can play that video.
Okay.
Dan jam
All right, Miss. I think Miss have a mistake. Please stop that video. Miss want to play with teachers play, yeah? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do you guys can see my
Okay,
screen?
Miss.
Miss
Yeah, I
still
can
wait
see.
because in my screen it's loading. Wait a minute, yeah.
Yeah. I was waiting for this.
All right, good, Leandra. Still wait. All right. So this is the video. You have to watch the video. Wait a minute. All right.
ya, kok mendung? Jam berapa sih sekarang? Kok sudah mau hujan? Teman-teman, tahu tidak? Sekarang jam tangan Tika menunjukkan jam berapa? Ya, betul, jam 1 siang. Dan sebentar lagi akan turun hujan. Teman-teman, tahukah kamu bagaimana proses terjadinya hujan? Nah, begini prosesnya. Hujan pada mulanya berasal dari air yang berada di permukaan bumi, seperti air laut, danau, sungai, dan sebagainya. Yang
All right. So you have to fill the question.
Okay, Miss.
Have you finished?
tersinari matahari, yang kemudian
Leandra, have you finished answer the question?
No, Miss. The video will play on your teacher.
All right.
laut, danau, sungai, dan sebagainya.
Device. Come back ya.
Is there a question in your screen, Leandra?
Yes, Miss.
And do you have
And
have you finished answer the question?
yes,
All right.
thank you.
So continue, right?
Yang tersinari matahari, yang kemudian air tersebut menguap atau menjadi uap dan melayang ke udara. Air yang menguap atau menjadi uap melayang ke udara dan akhirnya terus bergerak menuju langit. Dengan bantuan angin, uap air membentuk awan. Akibat angin atau udara yang bergerak, awan-awan saling bertemu dan membesar menuju langit atau atmosfer bumi yang suhunya rendah atau dingin, dan akhirnya membentuk butiran es dan air. Karena berat dan tidak mampu ditopang oleh angin, akhirnya butiran-butiran air atau es tersebut jatuh. Lalu turunlah hujan tersebut sampai ke bumi.
All right. So you have to answer the question again. For Lara Felia, Leandra, and Kusuma, have you finished answer the question?
Not yet, Miss. Wait a
All
minute.
right. All right. It's okay. Good, Leandra, for respond, Miss. Then Lara Felia and Kusuma.
I answer, but I'm using Indonesian. It's okay, Miss?
It's okay. Have you finished?
Yes, Miss.
All right. Good.
Asik, hujannya sudah reda. Suasana menjadi cerah kembali. Segarnya. Wah. Teman-teman, air hujan akan mengalir dari hulu ke hilir atau dari tempat yang tinggi menuju tempat yang lebih rendah dan akan bermuara ke laut. Nah, begitulah proses terjadinya hujan. Sekarang teman-teman pasti sudah tahu bukan?
All right, good. So, after you watch that video, you know that the water experiencing the cycle. Is there any question until now?
No, Miss.
All right, so for know more about the water cycle, you have to watch the video again. Miss have video. Because of that, Miss want to share you about the water cycle. But to know more about that, you have to watch the video again. Is it okay, everyone? Of
Okay,
course.
Miss.
Yes, of course you have to say yes. All right.
Bagaimana prosesnya siklus hujan terjadi? Yang pertama, terjadinya evaporasi atau penguapan. Penguapan atau evaporasi ini adalah proses perubahan molekul di dalam keadaan cair dengan spontan menjadi gas. Proses ini juga bisa terjadi di laut, sungai, danau, ataupun genangan air yang kita lihat. Proses ini adalah kebalikan dari kondensasi. Pada umumnya, penguapan dapat dilihat dari lenyapnya cairan secara berangsur-angsur ketika terpapar pada gas dengan volume signifikan. Air yang terdapat pada laut, sungai, atau danau akan mengalami penguapan. Hal itu karena panasnya sinar matahari. Proses ini disebut penguapan tadi. Air yang sudah menguap akan menuju ke atas dan berkumpul dengan udara. Pada proses ini, terjadinya perubahan suhu yang tinggi dan mengubah uap menjadi embun. Proses ini disebut dengan kondensasi. Embun yang lama-kelamaan menjadi banyak akan menjadi sebuah awan yang mengandung air yang sangat banyak, sehingga kita sering menyebutnya awan mendung. Di sini ada istilah presipitasi. Presipitasi adalah segala produk dari hasil kondensasi uap air di atmosfer, baik itu air hujan, hujan es, atau hujan salju. Teman-teman bisa lihat di sini ya. Di sini ada danau. Lalu awan-awan hasil dari kondensasi atau penguapan air tadi berkumpul. Bila awan embun berada di dalam suhu yang sangat dingin, maka butiran air akan membeku menjadi salju. Ini disebut presipitasi salju. Awalnya, aliran resapan air tanah mengalir menuju sumber mata air seperti sungai, lautan, atau danau. Di sana terjadilah evaporasi atau penguapan tadi. Pada saat disinari matahari, maka uap akan terjadi pada air-air tersebut dan terjadilah kondensasi di atas awan. Awan pun menjadi kelabu atau mendung. Di sini terjadilah presipitasi hujan air. Maka hujan pun turun. Dan di dataran yang lebih tinggi, biasanya di puncak-puncak gunung, itu bisa terjadi presipitasi salju karena suhu yang berbeda. Setelah air hujan yang turun dan salju-salju di atas gunung yang mencair, maka tanah menyerapnya kembali dan mengalirkannya ke air laut atau air sungai. Teman-teman, kalian bisa lihat ya, di sini ada siklus air hujan dalam bentuk gambar. Teman-teman, kalian bisa lihat juga ada istilah tumbuhan transpirasi. Apakah itu? Di situ, transpirasi tumbuhan adalah hilangnya uap air dari permukaan tumbuhan.
Alright, you guys have finished watch that video. Until now, is there any question?
Yes, I have
Yeah.
question for you.
Alright.
I am still confused. Why does water return to the sea?
Alright, why does water return to the sea?
The
Alright,
sea.
because for the water flows from a high place to the low place. I think for this, you have to watch the previous video because we know that water flows from a high place to the low place. Do you got it?
Yes, miss.
All right. Is there any question?
I want to ask again.
Oh, all right, all right. Good, 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 Leandra.
Why does those sea water evaporate?
Oh, why does sea water evaporates? Great, yeah.
Yes,
Miss
miss.
want to ask you, do you ever seen your mom cook the water?
I ever do that, miss.
Oh, cool, cool. So what happens when the pan is not closed?
There is smoke, miss.
Yeah, there is smoke, right? There is smoke. That's right. Because that smoke is called steam, uap. That is occurs due the evaporation process. That is the evaporation process. The fire under makes the water evaporate. Just like seawater. Let's just say that seawater is water in a pan, and the sun is like fire under a pan. So you know that the sun is the fire under pan, have a warm, not warm, I think hot, yeah, Miss wrong,
Yeah.
not warm but hot. And then because of that, the water have a process that we call evaporation. Do you got it?
Yes, Miss. Thanks.
Wow, good. So, because for better understand, you have to do activity, guys. And the activity, it's called draw it. This one. Please, Leandra, could you read this one? Just read this one, please.
No,
In each,
it's box type 1 sentence.
describe that part of the water cycle. Nah, if you need terms, if you need help, there are terms in the World Bank. This one, condensation, evaporation, runoff, transpiration, and precipitation. And then Miss already sent the link video, yeah, last night. Maybe Miss have to check. Yeah, this one. Miss already sent the link video, link YouTube. So when you fill that question, fill the blank, you can see at the link video. You can see video, you can watch video. I mean, you can watch video while you fill the blank. Do you got it, guys?
All right, Miss.
All right, so Miss have to go back to the nearpod. Let's start activity. All right. If you want to ask, just ask ya, guys. Feel free to ask Miss.
All right, Miss.
All right, good. Have you finished?
Oh,
No, of
Miss.
course. No, of course. All right.
Basic fishes. Miss,
Finish?
I have submitted. Yes, I'm
All
finished.
right, good. Leandra, right? Laravelia. Oh, all right. Laravelia and Leandra submitted. Miss want to see. All right. Kasuma may be waiting drawing and Laravelia. All right. It's okay. So you know ya guys about the water cycle. Wait a
Yes,
minute.
Miss.
Yes, wait a minute. Miss have to close this first. And then because all of you guys have a fill the blank, but it's okay for Laravelia. There is a blank that you have not filled. All right, Miss just waiting for the. I think my laptop is lagging. Wait a minute, yeah.
No, it's okay, Miss.
All right, good. Oh my God, still lagging. Sorry, wait a minute. Oh, all right. Miss already had this one. All right. So guys, very good, yeah. Now you know more about the water cycle. So what is the water cycle? The water cycle shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and atmosphere. You know about that. It is a complex system that includes many different processes, right? Liquid water evaporates into water vapor and then condense to form clouds and precipitates back to earth in the form of rain and snow. This is there is a percolation. It's mean run off. What is that?
Run
Run
out.
off. All right. And then evaporation, transpiration, condensation, and precipitation. Good job, everyone. And then because all of you have fill the blank, so Miss want to know. Miss want to choose one of you to presentation of your work. I think Leandra. Leandra,
Yeah, Miss.
Miss
I'll try.
want. All right. This one, Miss have to see your work, yeah. Wait a minute. All right. Could you present about this?
The process of the water cycle, namely when seawater is evaporation or plants
Right.
or transpiration is exposed to the sun heat. Evaporation will occur. The process they form clouds. After that, the clouds are blown by the wind until they gather in the atmosphere. The higher up, the cloud, the, the cloud, the colder the cloud temperature. This cold cloud condenses into water droplets. Condensation is a change in water vapor or gas into a liquid when the air temperature is below the dew point. Furthermore, due to a series of processes earlier, rainwater falls to the earth. The name is precipitation and seeps into the ground. This series of processes occurs repeatedly and become a regular cycle.
All
Yes,
right.
that
That's
means
all. All right. So I think
yeah.
I don't know you create your own word or no, but there is a mistake in this, but it's okay. Miss want to share to you from this. from the plant, it's called transpiration. All right. So for this one, not precipitation, but transpiration. You got it?
Yes, Miss.
All right. So for the plant, same with area. I mean water. When water have evaporate, that's evaporation. But when the plants, that's called transpiration. And then for this one, condensation, bukan di sini sayang, tapi di sini ya. Condensation, and for precipitation itu di sini. Alright, so Miss want to share to you about the material. Wait a minute. Yeah, at this one. I think Miss want to share to you from my handphone, yeah? Wait a minute. Miss want
Alright,
to
Miss.
share that evaporation is liquid surface water is heated by the sun, you know about that. And condensation is water vapor molecules come together and cool, forming liquid water. Wait a minute, this one. So there is not mistake. I mean there is some of apa ya, sedikit keliru, gak apa-apa Leandra, because after this you know that evaporation ada di mana, condensation di mana, precipitation di mana after that activity, right? Do you got it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, good. And then Miss have to go back to the Zoom or Nearpod, I mean. All right. I think for the time, because still run, yeah, and we have to dismiss this class as soon as possible. Miss just want to share to you, not from this video, but my work about the benefits of water. Could you mention
Right.
benefits of the water?
For drink and was rice, maybe.
And then after that, just that, or is there any benefits?
Wash motorcycle,
All right,
wash
good.
clothes.
Yeah, good. So therefore, we must make the best use of the water and be grateful because God has created the water cycle so that water never runs out. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, I think enough for today's class. Before that, do you have any question?
No, Miss.
Okay, hopefully you understand the material, yeah. Miss have already sent a good answer, and you have to reflection by your work activity draw it. It's okay, but we learn each other. I think that's all from me. Have a nice day, everyone. See you tomorrow.
See you, Miss.